Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of only app you click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about only app and we click. Then this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.